Hi everyone. We are now in week 11. The week 11 assignment is not very difficult, so this will not be a very long video. But before we talk about anything, the big thing I want to make sure you understand is we're in now the last third of the course. So if your grade is not where you want it to be, if you are struggling, you need to contact me like right now. You need to stop this video and email me. If you're not where you want to be, if you're worried about your grade, email me right now. Okay. Now let's talk about week 11. Week 10 was Google Tour. Week 11 kind of builds off that a little bit. You can kind of read it. We're talking about Google extensions and apps. All right, and add-ons, I'm sorry. So what you need to do, of course, you can go to Module 3. Click over here, Modules. Go to Module 3, and everything what you need is right here. So I click here. You got this Google form. Casey Bell is a very, very highly regarded, widely regarded Google Chrome extension expert. So everything that she has is highly reliable. So feel free, definitely things that you can read through there and feel very confident in what you're reading. So just click on these links and go and start reading, exploring, seeing what would benefit you in your future grade level assignment. Okay. And then we just click here to start the assignment for the week. The one thing, don't worry about the fact that it says week 12. Sometimes this falls in week 11, sometimes it falls in week 12. Kind of depends on where spring break and Thanksgiving fall as the semester change. So there's no point worrying about that's 12 versus 11. Don't worry about that, okay? If you have things that you can click on here. All right, open that twice, I apologize. Clear the template, here's the template. Let's fill this out, the Google tip and the title. A couple sentences. One, how it works and how you could use it in the classroom. So 2, maybe 3 sentences per. Fill this out. It'll probably end up being 2 pages long. Your assignment, you always do your 1-page paper, just like always. And do it to make sure you then submit, when you put make sure you, go to File, Publish to Web. You get the embed code or share and get the link. Make sure that you put it in your website correctly. All right, folks, that is really, it is a very straightforward week 11 assignment. So the big thing, let me jump back over here, is make sure, like I said, we are 2/3 of the way through the class. If you need help, you need to reach out to me right now. Thank you guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you online.